Who wrote these questions? Oh, wait, that's me. Okay. Are we on? Yeah. Okay. I didn't want you to answer that, Kara. No, that's actually.
Did I actually respond to one of your lines?
That was part of the bit. No, that wasn't a line.
We had no idea what he was doing.
Jeff Landis. No, not Jeff Landis. Landis? Not Landis. Jeff Lander. Okay. Jeff Lander from Chromebook Repairs. It says here that you repair Chromebooks.
That's correct. We offer repair services to all makes and models at a affordable price and quick turnaround times.
Can you fix this Chromebook?
What's wrong with it?
It's not a real laptop. That's a no. Jeff, it says you have a team of highly trained expert technicians. Is that correct?
That is correct. We have a great team, great facilities. They're ready to go.
I see. Are you a highly trained expert technician?
Well, I am the repair account executive.
So no. No. Not highly trained. Jeff, I'm going to read you some silly words. Can you tell me which of these is not an actual Chromebook tool? Not a Chromebook tool. Spudger. That's got to be the fake one, right? Spudger?
No, it's real.
Oh, maybe. Maybe not.
It is.
Spudger. Guitar pick. Guitar pick. Tweezers. I don't know what you would do with that. Pentalobe. Pentalobe. And Jeff.
Excuse me?
It's on the list. It says Jeff.
Jeff is my name, but I'm not a Chromebook tool.
I'm sorry, the correct answer was Pentalobe. Pentalobe. You are a Chromebook tool. Something must be wrong here. It says you have free shipping and there's no charge for diagnoses. Diagnoses. Is that a technical term?
Diagnostics?
Diagnostics. I just don't have a pen to cross that out. Jeff, have you ever heard the saying, why buy the repair when you can get the diagnosis for free?
No, I haven't.
But it's a pretty good saying though, right? Yeah, it's pretty good. Because I thought of that one. In what way, Jeff, are you like an LCD screen?
I don't know.
You crack easily under pressure. Didn't play as well as it did in my head. Chromebook humor is not easy to write. I want to thank you, Jeff, from Chromebook Repairs, for taking the time to be with us here today. If for any reason you have one of these so-called Chromebooks and you need it fixed, which is probably every one of them, feel free to give him a call, and I'm sure he can refer you to a person that can actually help. Can we stop him? I think my kid broke one of these things.
But I didn't do anything. I'll make sure to do some stuff.
And that'll be it. Then
Okay.
we'll be done.
Okay.
And this nightmare will be over for you, Jeff.
No, I'm good now. I'm in the groove.
Right? This is why you do 20 takes.
I'm in the groove.
Everybody
now.
gets comfortable.
I'm in the groove.
We've been doing this now for an hour and a half.